So there are some factors in the human eye. So we should know the first one is least distance of distinct vision. So what is the least distance of distinct vision? Suppose if I place two objects in front of my eye, I want to distinguish them. If I place those two objects in front of my eye, I may not. So if the object both are moving like this and moving in front of my eye, at one particular distance, I may distinguish between the two objects. Means I can say the differences. Means I can able to see the object clearly. So at what particular least distance an observer can able to see the object clearly without any deformations? The distance is called least distance of distinct vision. The minimum distance of an object in front of eye to see clearly is called least distance of distinct vision. In scientific words, it is derived by capital D. So for a healthy man at a particular young age, this D is 25 centimeters. But this D value is going to change with age. For small kids, this value lies below 25. For the people who are going to growing ages or aging people, it may increase. So with respect to the distance, this distance means less than 25 or greater than 25 if a person is able to see the object clearly. So there are three types of eye defects. Suppose if you see some persons, they are able to see the objects when they placed the object very near to the eye. Some persons able to see the object very far. Some may not be able to identify some curved objects. These are all said to be eye defects. These eye defects are classified based on this distance. Less than 25, one eye defect, greater than 25, another eye defect. So those eye defects are myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, like that. Astigmatism, and like that. So what are these eye defects and how we can arrange the remedials for these eye defects? It will be like this. The first eye defect is myopia. The another name of myopia is nearsightedness. Yeah, what is the meaning of nearsightedness or myopia? It will be like this. Suppose if a person may able to see the object less than 25 centimeters, that means less than D, then he is suffering with myopia. So D is less than 25 centimeters. Maybe at 20 centimeters or maybe at 5 or 10, means he should place the object very close to the eye. So then he is suffering with myopia. So what is the reason for this? There is a problem in his eye lens. What is that problem? Suppose if this is the eye lens, just to draw, and it acts like a convex lens. Suppose if light rays are coming at different objects or at different positions, these light rays are converging just before the retina, in front of the retina. So for those where the light rays are converging in front of retina, this is advanced converging. This advanced converging leads them to a disease or eye defect called myopia. So what should we do? These are advanced converging. What is the remedial or how to remove this effect if a patient is suffering with this problem? So what are the remedials for this? So then we should use a biconcave lens. Then these light rays will scatter, diverge, and exactly falls on the retina screen. So this distance is very, very important. So they will find this distance, mostly this will be some 2.27 to 2.5 centimeters. So with respect to this distance, they will arrange a suitable crystalline suitable lens for the giving power. So the diagrams will be like this. So the light rays are converging in advance. On retina, in front of retina. So what we should do? We should arrange then it falls on the crystalline lens which is in convex, then they used to converge. So by using the biconcave lens, we can remove the defect of myopia. So this is one of the important features of this one. Next one is hypermetropia. So what is hypermetropia? Some persons may able to see the object greater than least distance of distinct vision, means they can able to observe the object, they can identify the object when the object are at a large distances, means more than 25 centimeters. If the object is very close to them, may not be able to identify. So this sight is called farsightedness. Then how you can remove, how you can overcome this defect? So what is the reason behind this hypermetropia eye defect like this? So what we can understand, the light rays which are emanating from the object, they are converging behind the retina. That is the reason behind this hypermetropia. So behind the retina, this is very important. So it is not advanced converging, it is late converging. So we should converge them advanced. So now we will see the gap between this. Optimist can find the distance. So with respect to distance, they will arrange one convex lens which is useful to converge the light rays just on the retina. So it will be like this. So in the path they used to arrange one convex lens. So like this, it falls on the retina's eye screen. This is also acts on the eye screen. Then they may able to fall on the eye retina. So here by using a biconvex lens, we can overcome this problem. This is also one of the eye defect. So next one is astigmatism.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.